Hey guys, this video, me and Caleb behind the camera, me being Eric, are going to show you how to do an oil change on any car you have. So what the first thing we did was we put on the lift. If you guys don't have a lift, don't worry, you guys can always use a car jack. It works the same thing, we're just doing what we have. After putting the car on the jack stand or lift, depending on what you have, you want to locate where your oil pan is. For some cars, there's a protective part right here that protects your oil pan. And there's usually like a square here, right here, that there's a cutout for your oil pan. Once you've located your oil pan, you want to find the right millimeter socket, unscrew it, but before you unscrew it, remember to get your oil drainer and put it under your actual oil drain. After you finish that, you want to unscrew the oil filter and then wait for the oil to stop there. Once the oil is drained, you put the socket back in and you're done underneath. And then we're gonna have
a socket wrench and the correct millimeter socket. Get either an oil drainer or just any container that'll hold the oil. And you're gonna go ahead and all you're gonna do is unscrew this. And as soon as you unscrew this, all the oil's gonna come on out. You'll see right here in a second, it comes out. You go ahead and unscrew it. Alright, so now all the oil is drained out, and all you're going to do is you're going to take your screw it back in, go ahead and screw it up until it's about hand tight. You're going to take your socket and just go ahead and you're going to move this out of the way. And just tighten it until it's nice and snug. Make sure you don't tighten it too much and strip the screw. Make sure it's nice and snug. And now the next thing we're going to do is go ahead and take this filter off. So they have these little tools. They're gonna have these tools that you can put onto your socket wrench as well, and it snaps right on. You can get these at any auto part store. It fits right over, and all you're gonna do is take your drain, put it right underneath, and it comes off very simple. Some of them you can take off with your hand. A lot of them will be very tight. You can put a bunch of rubber bands over it to give you grip and untighten it, or get one of these tools. Okay. Alright guys, so we have the filter gone and taking it off. After it's done, make sure you go ahead and look and make sure this O-ring is the O-ring is on this filter still and it's not stuck up there. If it is stuck up there, that's gonna be a problem. You're gonna need to take it off. And this new O-ring you have, go ahead and grab some oil, dip your finger in the oil, run it around it to get it nice lubed up, and that way it'll be easy going on and it'll fit right on. So you're gonna take that, grab your hands and just tighten it on there by hand. And all you're gonna do is hand tighten it. Do not use a tool to tighten this. Just go ahead and tighten it with your hand, nice and secure. Again, don't over tighten and strip it. Once it's all good, then you're gonna then lower the car and fill it up with oil. Okay, so after you have your car lowered and done, what you're gonna do is you're gonna find this little oil thing. You're gonna go ahead and remove it, set it down anywhere, and you're gonna grab a funnel so that way you don't spill anything. Grab your funnel, put it in there, and you can look up online what oil you need and what oil filter you need. You can find all this at Walmart for the cheapest price. Mine needs 530 oil, 530 weight, and it takes 5 quarts. You can find all this online, and all you're gonna do is just put the 5 quarts, however much it says, right in. Okay, you can go ahead. Alright guys, so we have the final 5th quart right in, just finished up right now. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and remove the funnel, obviously, and screw this cap back on. After you screw it on, you're gonna go inside and you're gonna start your car. And as soon as you start your car, let it run for about 10-15 seconds. And then we'll be right back and we're gonna check the oil filter. Alright, so as you just saw, we started the car, we let it run for a second, and now you're gonna locate this there's gonna be a little dipstick, it's called, it says engine oil or has something on it, you're gonna go ahead and take it off, take it out, wipe it down, make sure it's all clean, and this part you're gonna be able to read high or low. So you're gonna dip it back in, take it out after it's been cleaned off, and see where your oil level is. So let's go ahead and put it in. We're gonna dip it, take it back out, and we can see right there how it's at about a good level right there.